Hi, students. So we're going to go ahead and do the first investigation, which is we're going to try to block the air. All right, we're going to try to block the air between two magnets in a couple different ways. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to tip my screen here. And our setup is, in our first situation, we're going to put a note card between two magnets. So I'm going to place these two things here so that you guys can see here. And then I'm going to put a note card right here to block the space between the two magnets, okay? Now, keep in mind, you should have recorded the independent, dependent, controlled variables. So our independent variable is this object being placed. So in this first instance, our independent variable is the note card, because that's what we're changing each time. What we're gonna look for is, does this note card move at all when I put the two magnets between? If it moves, that indicates, oh, there must be air, right? And our force and energy is pushing or moving through the air, right? Which is going to push on the note card and cause it to move as it's trying to move the magnets, right? Now, if energy and force is not transferred through the air, that means that this note card should not move. Nothing should be pushing on it. All right. And then the controlled variables are that we're going to try to keep the same strength magnets each time and the same distance between the magnets so that we have certain things that are being kept the same to make sure it's fair. All right. So in our first instance, we've got our note card here, and I'm going to put both magnets on either side of the note card. All right. And then I'm going to let go and try not to move at all so that you guys can see how this is affected. So let me go ahead and tip it down a little bit lower here. Okay. So I got two magnets, similar strength. I'm going to put this far away from the note card, and we're going to see, does that note card move when I let them go? All right. All right. So we'll try this again. Okay, did the note card move? Obviously the magnets did, but did the note card move? All right, now in this next instance, we're going to try a new object in the middle. I'm going to take my note card out. And the next object we're going to test out is a piece of cardboard. So a little bit thicker, different object, and we'll put that between. We'll hold it just like this. Okay, and we'll straighten this out. It's a little bit of a bent piece of cardboard, so maybe we'll do the other side. That's a little bit better. Okay, so same magnets, right? We're gonna make sure, right, they still work. And we're gonna put them the same distance apart. It's like this, and we're gonna see, does that cardboard move when I let them go? Is that force pushing on them? Right? The answer, go ahead and record your observations. Does this cardboard move at all when we push them together? Right? Is the cardboard moving? Okay. The last object we're going to test out, and this is an easy one, this is kind of a fun one, is let's go a little bit thicker. All right, so let's try a book. I've got a book here, Flowers for Algernon. It's a book that I read when I was in school. And we're going to see, will this book be moved by two magnets? All right, can we get the book to move? Okay, so I got two magnets here again. Place them on either side of the book. Right? Now, these magnets can even push through a book. So recognize, did the book move at all? All right. So go ahead and make sure that you recorded those observations in your data table, and then that can get taped into your notebook or it can get saved on your computer.